For over a century, machines helped us to build, taking on physically demanding and repetitive tasks. Now, we're moving production forward, a human-centered approach. Not just by making machines more powerful, but empowering our people. To stay ahead in a changing world, production must be smart and adaptive. AI keeps workflows running smoothly, prevents problems before they happen, and makes work seamless. Beyond efficiency, production must manage complexity, ensure the highest quality, and evolve as fast as the cars we build. At Mercedes-Benz, progress starts with people. We give our workforce the skills and technology to stay ahead, using machines to amplify human expertise and drive innovation.